Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. We're just doing a carpet clean on a Saturday for a company, Listers near Towcester. We've been doing their carpets for about 3 years now. They deal with a lot of rock samples, that type of thing, and a lot of mud gets brought into the carpets. If you have a look here, we've hoovered these, by the way. You can see that they're quite dirty. And looking at the stairs as well, they're really dirty. But we're halfway through the clean, and Chris has been doing a great job in this foyer for the company. So if you just have a look here, and as I walk down the corridor, if Chris follows me, you can start to see the difference in the carpets. And I think you'll see how clean these are compared to what they are in the foyer. What we're going to do, we're going to carry on with the clean. We're going to do the stairs, do the rest of the foyer, and then you can see the results that we get. Okay, so it's Richard from Sleep Haven, and you can see the results shortly. Take care. Hi, it's Richard from Sleep Haven again. Just finished the job at Listers near Towcester, and I think looking at it, results speak for itself. You saw previously how dirty they were when we're halfway through. This is now the finished result. I think if Chris can see the stairs here, you can just see how clean they are. These little stripes here are just where we've been wanding, so they'll dry out, and the hand tools, but you can see quite clearly now how clean these carpets are. And if Chris just follows me around the corridor here, you can see that it is the business. I think if Chris pans out again, and this was covered in muck where all the staff have been working out in the fields and we're bringing the mud in with all the samples and everything. So if we can clean these carpets, we can clean any carpets. Just give us a call on 01327 342 59594. Oh, put my teeth back in, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks a lot.